Next, see the problem. Enter the following transactions in the purchase book of Vijay Electronics, Nalakunta, Hyderabad, 2013 and Jan 5th. Purchased 5 sets of Dhanora 555 model from Dhanora Limited at the rate 4000. Okay, at the rate for 4000 means what? Per set is rupees 4000. Here, how many sets are there? 5 sets. That is 5 into 4000 is 20,000, and it included the trade discount is 15%. We deduct the trade discount. So, in this problem, which book we are preparing? Purchase book of Vijay Electronics. So, is this cash transaction or credit transaction? Is an a credit transaction because name is mentioned in the, so that's why it is an a credit transaction and it is entered in the purchase book. Okay, so after calculating this 5 into 4000, we deduct that trade discount and how much amount is getting, that amount is written in the total amount column. Next is purchased on credit from Bajaj and company. So it is also credit transaction. On credit is there now. Electric irons 20 at the rate 60. So 20 irons. So each is 60 rupees. Okay, total is how much? 20 into 60. Next, table lamps 6. Each lamp is 35 rupees. Okay, do the totals. Next is purchased on cash from Sumit Limited electric irons 10 at the rate rupees 55. Is this credit transaction? No, it is a cash transaction. Why? Because purchased on cash. So cash is mentioned. Whenever cash is mentioned in the transaction, it is a cash transaction and it is entered in the cash book, not in purchase book. So leave this transaction. Next is purchased on credit from Chandrika Furnitures, showcase 1 at the rate 1500, office table 1 rupees 800, office chair 6 at the rate 50. So one hint is given. See here, transactions of 18th date and 29th January will not be entered in the purchase book. Okay, these two are not coming purchase book, only these two will come. Okay, now see the solution. Purchase book of Vijay Electronics. Nalakunta, Hyderabad. Okay, what is the pro forma of purchase book? Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, amount. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, amount. Amount. And first which date? On Jan 5th, purchased 5 sets of Dianora 555 model. 2013 Jan 5th. How many sets? 5 sets. Each set is how much is rupees? 4,000. Total is how much? 20,000. So to 5 sets, each set is how much? 4,000. So 5 into 4,000 is 20,000, and in this transaction included 15% trade discount. So deduct the trade discount minus trade discount is 15%. So how to calculate that 15%? Total price is how much? 20,000 into 15%, that is 15 by 100 is 3,000 is the trade discount. So deduct that 3,000. 20,000 minus 3,000 is 17,000. Invoice number is 1. Leave that ledger folio column, that this amount column is 17,000. Next is and Jan 9th. Purchased on credit from Bajaj and Company. Bajaj and Companies electric irons. Electric irons 20 at the rate rupees is 60. Total is how much? 20 into 60 is 1,200. Next is table lamps. Table lamps is 6. Each is rupees 35. Total is 6 into 35 is 210. Total is 1,410. And the invoice number is 2. Total of the amount is 1,410. and total total of purchase book is 17,000 plus 1,410 is 18,410 is the total of the purchase book. Okay, this is a problem and solution. See the next problem. Enter the following transactions of Jindal and Company in the sales book and show the posting to sales account. Okay, we have prepared sales book and also we prepare sales account. Okay, 2013 April 4 sold to Goyal and Company 20 polyester sarees at the rate rupees 75. Okay, so this is entered in sales book. Next, on April 9th, sold for cash to Gerg and Company 20 quota sarees 20 quota sarees at the rate 30 rupees. So, is it entered in sales book? No. Why? Because sold for cash. So, cash is mentioned. When cash is mentioned, it is cash transaction. So, this will be entered in a cash book, not in sales book. So, leave that ninth day transaction. Next, on April 16th, sold on credit to Mittal sold on credit to Mittal and Company 5 art silk sarees at the rate rupees 195. Okay, so this is entered in sales book. Next is and 30 sold to Mohan old furniture for 1000 on credit. So is this transaction is entered in sales book or not? No. Why? Because sold to Mohan an old furniture. Furniture is an asset now. So any assets are purchased or any assets are sold, that will be entered in a journal proper, not in the sales book. Okay, sold to Mohan old furniture for rupees 1000 on credit. So while seeing directly on credit is seeing directly we entered in sales book, so don't do that mistake. Okay, see here transaction is an old furniture is mentioned, furniture is an asset, so that it will not be common in sales book, where it appear is in the journal proper. Okay, under this problem how many transactions are entered in sales book? On only April 4th and April 16th. Now see the solution. Next is sales book of Jindal and Company. Sales book of Jindal and Company. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF number, amount. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF number, amount. That is 2013 April 4th, sold to Goyal and Company. Sold to Goyal and Company. 20 polyester sarees at the rate rupees 75. Total is 1500. So that invoice number is 1, amount is 1500. Next 9 transactions will not come in sales book. Next is April 16. Sold on credit to Metaline Company. 5 art silk sarees at the rate rupees 195. Total is 975. Invoice number is 2 and 975. Okay, so do the total of this sales book. $1,500 plus 975 is 2,475. Next, also we have to prepare a sales account. Next, see sales account. Account is in the form of a T shape. Left hand side is known as a debit side. Right hand side is known as a credit side. Date, particulars, JF number, amount. Date, particulars, left number, amount, JF number, amount, date, particulars, JF number, amount. Leave that JF. Okay, so what is the entry for goods sold on credit? Suppose sold to Goya Line Company. So what is the entry? Goya Line Company account data to sales account. Sold on credit to Mitaline Company. What is the entry? Mitaline Company account data to sales account. Now. Okay, so that what is the total of the sales book now? 2,475. So sales account shows an credit side now. Why? Because suppose any customer account or any supplier's account data to sales account now. So which side is there? Credit side. So sales account on the credit side. April 30. April 30 by sundries as per sales book. Total is how much? 2,475. Okay, so on the debit side we have to tally now. April 30 to balance carried down. Carried down is 2,475. Okay, so this month closing balance is this month closing balance is the next month opening balance. Next month is 1st May. By balance brought down is 2,475. This is a sales account. Okay, next, see the next problem. From the following particulars, write up sales book of Sri Rama, a dealer in furniture. Okay. On 2013, June 6th, sold on credit to Krishnamurthy. Sold on credit to Krishnamurthy. That is 10 tables at the rate rupees 60. 10 tables at the rate 60. Total value of tables is 600. Next is 40 chairs at the rate 20. That is 40 into 20 is 800. Next, on June 16th, sold to Lakshmi Enterprises. Fry almaris 1200. So total value is 5 into 1200 is 6000. 20 chairs, each chair value is 30. So the chairs total value is 600. Next is two dining tables. So the dining tables is each is 600 now. So that 2 into 600 is 1200. Sri Rama Sri Sharma offers trade discount at the following rates, that is sales up to rupees 2000. Okay, sales up to rupees 2000 is how much is trade discount? 5%. Sales beyond 2000, that is 10%. Suppose sales price is about 2000 is there, then the time we have to deduct how much is trade discount is 10%. Okay, now see the solution. Sales book of Sri Sharma, date, particulars, invoice number, LF, amount. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF number, and amount. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, amount. 2013 June 6, is name of that customer is Krishnamurthy. How many? 10 tables. 10 tables at the rate rupees 60 is total is 600. Next is 40 chairs. Each chair value rupees 20, that is 800 is 1400. What is notice given? Sales up to 2000, 5% is trade discount. So this is the total value now, 1400. So up to 2000 now. So deduct the trade discount. How much is less trade discount? 5%. 5%, that is 1400 into 5% means what? 5 by 100. 70. So deduct that 70, 1400 minus 70 is 1330. It's number 1 and amount is 1330. Next is on June 16th. Sold to Lakshmi Enterprises. That is 5 almaris at the rate rupees 1200. Total is how much? 6000. Next, 20 chairs at the rate rupees 30. 20 into 30 is 600. Next, 2 dining tables, each is how much? Rupees 600. Total is how much? 1200. Total is how much? 6000 plus 1000, 7000 plus 800 is 7800. Sales behind 20,000, how much is trade discount? 10% now. So this is an above 2000. Okay, deduct that trade discount. Trade discount is 10%. That is 7800 into 10 divided by 100. So that is 780 is the trade discount. Deduct that. 7800 minus 780 is 7020 and invoice number is 2. Total of sales book is 1330 plus 7020. How much is 8350? 8350 is a total sales book of Sri Rama. Okay, this is the problems relating to that. From the next class, we discuss cash book. Okay.